Hello everybody and welcome to my group project presentation on the subject, the movement of galaxies. What this presentation will cover is the past, the knowledge, technology, and studies that we had 100 years ago, the present, what ideas and widespread beliefs are about the subject now, and what caused this change, the advancements in technology and new discoveries that influence this gradual change in knowledge. The past. What we knew 100 years ago was very different from what we know now. The extent of all space study was based around the Milky Way galaxy alone. This was because nothing outside of the Milky Way was thought to exist other than a few blurry nebula that had been observed. Einstein's theory of relativity brought reason to believe that there was an infinite universe that was constantly expanding, but many people back then still refused to believe this. The present. What we know now. The contemporary astronomers now recognize that there are numerous galaxies existing beyond the Milky Way. The universe is infinite and constantly expanding, and galaxy motion is widely accepted, which is the idea that galaxies are moving away from one another due to rapid expansion of the cosmos. What caused this change? Edwin Hubble, who was an American astronomer born in the late 19th century, who went on to discover different concepts that would lead to advancing our understanding of the universe today, also discovered the first other galaxy. He discovered this other galaxy using the Hooker telescope to identify distant Cepheid stars. However, these stars that he studied turned out to be the Andromeda galaxy, the first galaxy discovered outside of the Milky Way. This discovery shattered the single galaxy model and introduced the possibility of there being many other galaxies. His discovery of redshift was very important to the subject of the movement of galaxies, and this was based on the observation that light from distant galaxies is shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. This shift occurs because galaxies are moving away from us, stretching the light waves as they travel through space. Hubble discovered that the further away a galaxy is, the greater its redshift, which led to the groundbreaking conclusion that the universe is expanding. Hubble also made a classification scheme for these galaxies. This categorized galaxies by the shape that their color gives off. These four categories are elliptical, spiral, barred spiral, and irregular. Thanks to Edwin Hubble, we got the important discoveries of new galaxies, the redshift technique, how to calculate the distance between galaxies, and now also understand how to classify galaxies. All of these lead to understanding that there is an expanding universe. Due to these findings, we are now able to understand that galaxies move not only in a rotation around their center, but also away from each other. And the movement of galaxies is now solidified as a scientific fact.